Hello everyone, we are again here to solve another programming problem. These problems are usually asked in programming interview. Let's go to the problem. The problem is you are given an array of uh, weights. Okay, you are given an array of weights and uh, an integer limit something. Your job is to return a pair of weights whose sum is equal to limit. For example, if limit equal to 12, you have to return okay, you have to return to 10. Five, 7. Is there anything? 5, 7, 6, 4. Okay, I hope only just two uh, pairs are possible. Okay, otherwise just return -1. Okay. Actually, you don't need to return. You don't need to return the pairs. You have to return the number. Count how many of the pairs are there. Otherwise, you return -1. Okay. How can we do it? We are given this n. Okay. And in this case, our k or limit, let's call it k. Here. So we have to return how many pairs are there whose sum is equal to k. If no pair is found whose sum is equal to k, then return -1. Okay. You have already assumed some solution in your mind. Hopefully, all of you can solve it by brute forcing. By brute forcing, the problem can be solved in big O of n square complexity, but we are not interested in n square complexity. We want something better. So what we can do, we can keep a hash map. So we have initialized a hash, we have created a hash map. So for each of the integer weights in our given weights array, we have to find one thing. We have to find the complement of the given value, and we have to check if the map doesn't contain the key difference, then we have to put, and as value we are going to put index. Okay. If map doesn't contain, and if the map contains the difference, then what should we do? We should just increase the value of count, and after we are done, we should increment the value of index. Okay, so we are outside the for loop. Okay, got it. So what should we do? Return. If the value of count is still 0, if the value of count is still 0, we have to return -1. Else we have to return count. Okay. Let's see whether our solution is correct. As we know, there should be equal to 0, right? Uh, what is the problem here? Why is returning -1? Okay, our solution had one problem. We were putting diff, so our solution was returning -1. We have to put w. So if our map contains doesn't contain the diff, what we have to do? We have to put the w. Why? Let's consider our case. For example, for the first index, what is the value of diff? K minus 4, 8. 8 is not contained in the map, so we put 4. What is the next value in the array? 5. What is the value of diff? 7. Is 7 present in the map? No, then we are putting 5. Okay. Next value 6. Value of diff is also 6. Is diff present in the map? No. So diff is not present in the map, so we are putting 6. Our next value is 3. Diff is 9. Is 9 present in the map? No, so we are putting 3. Our next value is 7. The value of diff is 5. Is 5 present in the map? Yes, 5 is present in the map, so we implement our counter. Our next value is 2. The value of diff is 10. Is diff present in the map? No, so we are putting 2 in the map. Our next value is 10 and diff is 2. Is diff present in the map? Yes, diff is already present in the map, so we are returning incrementing our counter. Okay, let's check our solution. 17. If it's a 17, it should return 1 because 7 plus 10 equal to 17. And if we put the value of k 19, what should it return? We should get -1. Okay. So can you analyze this complexity of this solution? What we are doing? We are inserting in the map. The complexity of inserting in the map is O1, and we are searching if the map contains the value. What is the complexity of searching in a map? Okay, so for this value we are searching whether its diff is present in the map, so its complexity would be 10 log of n, something like this, n log of n. So instead of the solution, brute force solution of n square, we can now solve it in n log n. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope I will see you in the next tutorials. We will continue to solve a lot of programming problems. We will analyze the complexity, and we will try to provide the best solution to convince the interviewer, so that we can have a great programming interview. Thanks a lot.